Bulletproof Dog Training here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Here I have our newest 15-day board and train. This is Loofie. Loofie is a 1-year-old Cockapoo, and as you can tell, he's very nervy. He's unsure what to think of me. And the owners really want to work on that little bit of confidence, get a little independence. He's got a little bit of defensiveness going on, as well as some behavior problems such as pulling on the leash and not listening to his commands anytime he goes outside. So we're going to go ahead and see what he does and doesn't do for me, and then we're going to take it from there. Loofie, kitty come? Kitty come? No, I got to reel you in? That's okay. Loofie, can you sit? Can you sit? No, a little defensive. That's all right. What about a down? No? All right. What about a pretend treat? You want to sit? No, get distracted with the noise over there. That's fine. What about a down? Can you down? Can you down, Loofie? No? Can you down? That's fine. What about a walk? Come on, let's go walk. And off he goes. All right. As you can see, we got a lot of work to do. You can stay tuned for the remainder of this video to see his amazing transformation. And thank you so much for choosing Bulletproof. Say bye, Loofie. All right. And off he goes.
My name is Shirley.
My name is Bill.
And this is Loofie, and he had his trainer named Ivory. We really liked it. She did a great job, and we're really happy with everything.